Hello students, this is your math teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 7 mathematics, that is first chapter, which is your integers. In previous class 6, we read about integers already, but in this chapter we also review them in expanded form and different properties which satisfy the different operation of integers. So integers. So first of all, before knowing the integers, we have to know about the natural number, whole numbers. So what is natural numbers? Natural numbers is what? Counting numbers are called the natural numbers. Counting number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, infinity. All counting numbers are said to be a natural number. And next is you have whole number. Whole number is what? All natural numbers together with a 0 are called the whole numbers. If you put a 0 before a counting numbers, then these are called whole numbers. So after that, integers. All natural numbers, 0 and negative counting numbers are called the integers. Integers means what? All positive counting numbers. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, infinity, positive infinity, and -1, -2, -3 and -4. So these are called the integers. In short, you can say that all negative counting numbers, all positive counting numbers including 0 is said to be a integers. So in this chapter we have to perform different operation on a integers like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and different properties which satisfied our arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction and multiplication. So let's start. First property you have, that is closure property. First property you have, that is closure property. Closure property. According to this property, when you add, if we add two integers, we will get an integer as a result. Okay, when you add two integers, जब हम दो integers को add करेंगे तो we will get an integers, एक integers ही आएगा. This is known as the closure property. Next you have commutative property. Commutative property. Let's say a and b are the two integers. When you add a plus b, then b plus a is equal. As for example, when you add 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2, you have to only alternate them. Okay, 2 plus 3 is what? 5, and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So this relation will satisfy the commutative law. And next you have, that is associative law. Associative law property. You can also say the law. Okay, according to this property, take three integers a plus b plus c, and here also on LHS also take three integers, and RHS you also take the three integers, that is a plus b plus c. And at first you group the any two integers, and second group the other two integers. Only you have to change the grouping of integers. So this relation will satisfy the what? Associative property. Okay, see here a plus b plus c. First I have group here b plus c, and on RHS I group here a plus b. So this relation is satisfying the associative property. As for example, see 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here also 2 plus 3, group them, and plus 4. So these are the three properties. And next you have the additive identity. Additive identity 4. Additive identity. Additive identity means what? When you add any integers, let's say a with a 0, and when you add 0 with a integer that is a, same integer, you will get the same integer that is a. ये रिलेशन आपको बताता है एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी को, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट आपका आता है 5 एडिटिव इनवर्स। एडिटिव इनवर्स, additive inverse means when you add integers with their positive integer with their negative integers, you will get the 0, and when you add negative integer with its positive sign, that is plus a, you will get the 0. So the additive inverse of positive a is negative inverse, and the additive inverse of negative a is positive a. So whenever you have come to write the additive inverse of 5, so answer is what? -5, and the additive inverse of -3, so answer is what? 3, ठीक है। तो एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होता है? उसका पोलरिटी चेंज करना है, तो उसका साइन चेंज करना है। ओनली यू हैव टू चेंज द देयर साइन, ओके। व्हेन यू हैव आस्क्ड टू राइट द additive inverse of 5 plus 5, so you have to write there -5, and when you have asked to write a additive inverse of -3 is your +3. That means what? Overall you can say, simply you can say that only you have to change the sign of the integers to got the additive inverse of that number, okay. So these are the some properties which you have to perform in this chapter, okay. Now I am going to solve exercise 1a of integer chapter. Exercise 1a. See, first question you have, that is one number, that is you have to evaluate what? One number. In 1 of 1 you have given 15 plus -8. See, 15, write it same, and here plus into minus, plus minus, plus into minus. What is minus? Minus into minus, you got plus, and minus into plus you got minus, and plus into plus you have plus. So you have to use this property. Plus into minus, minus 8. 15 out of 8, what? 7 is your required answer. I am taking another question. 1 of 6th number, that is -48 plus -36. Here is nothing, what? Plus minus -48, and here plus into minus -36. So whenever you have given the two or more number in negative sign, you have to add them and put the negative sign before the number, okay. So here also you have minus minus, so minus what? Add, you have to perform addition here and put the negative sign. So 8 6 what? 14 1 4 3 7 1 8, so minus here. So this is a required answer. Whenever you have given two number or more number in minus sign, add all integers and put the negative sign before a number, okay. So I am solving question number 2. In question number 2 you have to find the sum. Find the sum of. Sum means what? Addition. I am taking question number 2 of 2, which is 1005 and -277. See, 1005 and means what? You have to put here plus sign, and already here -277. So you have to use here bracket. Whenever you have given two sign, okay, you have to put a bracket here. 1005 1005 plus into minus -277. So now let's subtract it. 15 out of 7 8, 9 out of 7 2, 9 out of 2 what? 7. So this is your required answer, okay. So question number 2 you have to solve like this, okay. In question number 3 is very simple. You have to write only the additive inverse, है ना. Already we have discussed in question number 3 you have to write the additive inverse. You have to write the additive inverse. Okay, in question number 3 of 1, you have given 83. Then what is the additive inverse of minus 83? That is plus 83. Okay, and what is the additive inverse of in 2 number? That is 256. That is the sign of 256 is what? Plus. So you have to put here negative sign to convert it into a additive inverse. Okay, so now question number 4. In question number 4, you have to perform subtraction. You have to perform what? Subtraction. I am taking question number 1. That is 28 from 42. Okay. See here. What is the meaning of this sentence? 28 from minus 42. Subtract 28 from minus 42. I am explaining you in Hindi. See, 28 को क्या करना है आपको? माइनस करना है. किससे माइनस करना है? 42 से माइनस करना है. तो जिससे आपको जिसको माइनस करना पड़ता है उसको आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? राइट साइड में या फिर टॉप में ऊपर लिखना पड़ता है. सो सेम यू हैव टू परफॉर्म द प्रोसेस. दैट इज राइट द फ्रॉम विच इज written as on the right side of a from, you have to put on left side. Okay, now subtraction, put the negative minus sign for what? Subtraction, because you have to perform here subtraction, so you have to put here minus sign. And what is to be subtracted here? 28. So this is the required relation of the word. Okay, which what is given here? This is a required explanation in the numeric. So here again you have minus. So what I said, that is whenever you have given a minus to a minus number, then you have to perform addition and put the negative sign. Okay, so here 8 plus 2 what? 10, and 2 plus 4 what? 6, 1, 7. Okay, and put the negative sign. Okay, see carefully. Whenever you have given two or more number in negative sign, that is minus sign, you have to add them. And put the negative sign before a number. Is it okay? Okay. So now I am taking another question. 4 of 6 number, which is 153 from 240. See, after which is after from, you have to write on the left side again 240, and subtraction you have to put negative sign because you have to perform here subtraction. And which is to be subtracted? Minus 153 is to be subtracted. So here minus 240 and minus into minus plus 153. Okay, so now let's see. If you have given one number in minus, one number in plus, if you have given one number in minus, one number in plus, you have to perform what? Subtraction. You have to perform what? Subtraction. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? माइनस करना है. And you have to put the sign. What is the sign? Sign according to the greater number. Which number is greater? See the sign of that number and put the sign here. Okay, see here also you have given two number, one number in minus and one number in plus. So minus plus what? Subtraction, minus karna aapko. So let's subtract 10 out of 3, 7, here 13 out of 3, 13 out of 5, 8, and 1 out of 1, 0. So between 240 and 153, which is greater? 240 is greater. And what is the sign of 240 here? The sign of 240 is minus, so that's why you have to put here negative sign, okay, before your answer. Okay, so this is your required answer. So by following these steps, you can easily solve exercise 1A of 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, and 4 number. Now I am solving 5 and 6, 5 number and 6 number. See, in 5 number you have given, subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34. See, here you have to subtract by the sum of, first of all you have to add minus 132 and 878, then subtract the answer from minus 34. So after from, which is written, and after from you have to write it on a left side, and what you have to perform here, subtract. So put here negative sign, then use a square bracket, and inside the bracket put 1032 plus 878. See, this is the relation. Add, first of all you have to add, find the sum of 1032 and subtract it from minus 34. So minus 34 is on left side, and this is for subtraction, and this is for summation. Now let's perform it. Minus 34, already you have done in your previous class 6 already a simplification. First of all you have to perform, which is inside the bracket. So here you have given one number in minus and one number in plus. So see here, if you have given one number in minus, one number in plus, you have to perform subtraction. So subtract it. 12 out of 8, 4. 12 out of 8, 4. And here 2. 12 out of 7, 5. 12 out of 7, 5. 12 out of 8, 4. 12 out of 8, 4. And 12 out of 7, 5. And here 9 out of 8, 1. Okay, minus 154. Minus 34 and minus into minus plus 154. So if you here also you have to subtract 4 out of 4, 0, 5 out of 3, 2, and here 1. See, which between minus 34 and 154, which is greater, 154, and what is the sign of 154 here? Plus. So you have to put here plus sign. If here is nothing, that means plus sign. So this is your required answer. So class, write down the homework. You have to do exercise 1A all. Okay then, thank you.